Hello everyone, I welcome you all to another post on Fun with Selenium series. In this video, I will be sharing you an automation script which can solve the virtual Rubik's Cube using Selenium. So for the demo purpose, we will be using the online Rubik's Cube provided by this website, this particular website. So as you can see, this web page renders a three-dimensional Rubik's Cube here. So you can do all the operations which you can do on a physical Rubik's Cube. So initially, when the web page is loaded, the Rubik's cube will be already in the solved state. So we need to, before running our automation script, we need to make sure that the cube is it's not solved and it's in a random order. So for this purpose, they have this ability in the UI to randomly shuffle the cube. So before running the script, we will be shuffling this cube for around roughly 20 seconds or so. So once the cube is shuffled very well, then we will be getting the current state and we will try to find the solution and our automation script will automatically start making the moves to solve the cubes. So let's quickly see the demo first. So I'm using Firefox and WebDriver.js for this particular demo. So browser is launched. So first we need to shuffle the cube. So that's what our script is doing now. So for next 20 seconds, the cube will be shuffled in a random order. Let's wait for the shuffling to complete then. Yeah, now the shuffling has been completed. And as you can see, our script predicted that in next 70 steps, this cube can be solved to the original state. And these are all the list of actions that are currently it is performing. So let's see. So all these moves are made by our automation script. I'm not doing anything manually here. Yeah, the script is completed, and as you can see, the cube is already in a solved state. Let's give it a one other try and see what happens if we run the script again. Okay, it started to shuffle the cube. So shuffling has been completed. So as you can see, in our last execution, the total steps was 70, but for this particular execution, it was 53. So it started doing the movements. Yeah, the script got completed, and as you can see, it again solved the cube. So I guess it's working perfectly pretty much. So I would like you all to try to automate this particular website. So this is one of the toughest website like HTML structure to automate so far. So give it a try and let me know if you guys can able to automate this. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, share it with your friends, and hit the like button. I hope you all like this video. So I'm planning to do a lot of other fun videos like this. So make sure to subscribe and wait for it. So I hope you all enjoy this video. So I will be meeting you guys soon with another fun video like this. And until then, it's bye from Sudarshan Selvaraj. Thank you so much.